How's everybody doing today? I'm just down in old Bedford town. My son's getting married today, so just killing some time before we have to be over to the church and getting ready and everything. So just gonna walk in here and Tractor Supply, see what they got. And they got some DeWalt, Porter cable. It's been so long since I've been in a Tractor Supply, I don't really know what to expect in here. They got a tire gauge for $24. Well, that's the only thing I'm gonna be interested in, probably is the Milwaukee section. We got some big compressors. $6.99 for that one. Ingersoll Ram, $13.99. Let's see. Do they even carry Milwaukee? I do not know. Man, I don't see Milwaukee. I do not see any Milwaukee. I'm gonna ask this guy. All right, they do not carry Milwaukee. So, who's that weird looking dude?
Don't you dare zoom up on my face, kid. I'm gonna mess you up.
So, they don't carry Milwaukee, so I guess that's really the only reason I was coming in here, to see if there was any deals on Milwaukee stuff, so.
I thought I told you not to do videos.
Well, just killing time.
That was not a big deal.
Well, I'll come back on if I see anything interesting. Well, so this is not the store to go in to for mechanics to find tools. So anyways, I think I'm gonna buy some flea medicine for the dogs. $49.99. Yeah. Alright, down in Bedford, Indiana. My son's getting married today. And this is a Harbor Freight store that just opened up. And my son tells me that he needs a box fan. I don't know if they have box fans or not. Hey, do you have box fans? Do you have box fans?
We don't.
Okay, thank you. Alright, they don't have box fans, so I'm gonna have to run the Big Lots. But this is brand new Harbor Freight that just opened up here. So I would say there'll be happy people here in little Bedford town that now they got a Harbor Freight store. Harbor Freight's not for me, but not saying I never shopped here once upon a time. I still got some of these swivels. And the only one I ever broke was the 13 millimeter. Well, the only reason I came in here was to buy a box fan. And they do not have a box fan, so. $100 for little ratcheting wrenches. I don't know, bro. I think I'll just stick with Snap-on. I was just in Harbor Freight the other day and bought one of them because I was just wanting to look at that Series 3 toolbox everybody been talking about, which is this baby right here. I think it's a little, I did really like the way the door opened. That opened up real nice. But I did not like how weak the drawers were. But to each his own. All right, I'm going to Big Lots. Thanks for watching. Hope you all have a great day.
He goes, good for him. He goes, he needs her. She's good for him. And me and Christopher have also said, it's like, Bree is the best side of that agreement today. And so we really do love you. We do appreciate you. And if we would, let's raise a glass today. An empty glass for me. I'm dying of thirst up here. I'll get one in a minute. Let's raise a glass and toast to the bride and groom, that God would lead them, God would guide them, that God would bless them. To Jordan Bree.